I will tell you why you stay poor. First, when you are on a job, when you work, first mistake young people do, they earn instead of learn. If you think about money, you will not have money, or you will not have enough money. So don't chase money, chase for knowledge, chase skills, chase for mentor, chase for skills, chase for everything that will help you raise your value in the market. You can buy your skills, and all your skills, all you achieve, all your experience, you can make more $1 billion, more million and billions by starting your business, your own business, by skills you have. So instead of earning more, you must learn more. Find a mentor, chase a good mentor, and you must and follow all he do it as he do. And by the experience, you will have your own experience, your own band. Make more people and good people at your field, at what you want to do, ahead of you. Then you will learn from them, you will follow their step and know how to proceed. Then you will be an expert, you will be a master of what you are doing. Then you can start $1 million business and make money. So learn instead of earn.